Hi, in this video I will show you how to make a sticky menu on a WordPress website. Not all WordPress themes have a sticky menu option. This is a useful feature. It improves website navigation, especially on mobile devices. Your visitors can navigate easily on your website. Okay, let's look at website. This is the website which I have built using WordPress. If you scroll down, you can see that the header is not fixed. To create sticky header, first install a plugin. Go to Plugins, add New. Next, search MyStickyMenu. And click Install Now. Click Activate. We have a new tab named MyStickyMenu. Click on Sticky Menu Settings. Then from the sticky class, select the type of menu which you want to make a sticky. Select Primary Menu and click Save. Now back to website and click Refresh. You can see header is visible. In some themes, the plugin cannot find the header on your website. Finding header by plugin depends on the theme you are using. From the sticky class, select Other class or ID. You need class or ID of your header. To get ID or class, right-click on the header and select Inspect. Will be displayed code of your site. We have class. Let's copy it and paste to sticky class. Make sure hash is before ID. If you copy class, you need to enter a dot before the name. Next, click Save. Reload website. Header is sticky. This is how you can create a sticky header in your WordPress website.